You're about to hear the story of the author Dave Pilkey. From Striving to Thriving, One Reader Story by Dave Pilkey. I never needed anybody to tell me I had reading problems. I figured that out on my own. My teacher helped. Maybe I should send you back to kindergarten. And I never needed an assortment of labels to zap my confidence either. Dyslexic, reluctant reader, challenged reader, slow reader. I learned to hate books all by myself. On the rare occasions when I did find something I wanted to read, it seemed as if my choices were never good enough for my teacher. That's not on your reading level! Can't you find something more substantial? You've already read that book 100 times! That's not even a real book! But just when everything seemed hopeless, my mom came up with a great idea. Instead of focusing on what I was reading, she made sure that I was reading. Public library. So she got me a library card, and she let me choose whatever I wanted to read with no judgment. It didn't matter if it was a magazine, or if it was below my reading level, or if I'd already read it 100 times. See, my mom believed that if I read what I loved, that I might develop a love for reading. And she was right. Love was the key. Love led to habits, and habits led to skills, and skills that even continue to this day. I am a reader today because of one great idea and a whole lot of love.